Yes.
Ask that.
I don't know what you are saying.
Rob.
Yes.
Ask that woman to fucking
Get
marry you
recording
because I'm
it.
telling you
I'm
now.
recording.
She is. All right, are you recording it? Right. See that woman there, right? Her name's Kate. And she's fucking.
She's going to take advantage of you tonight.
She's. Well, she's not going to take advantage. She's going to take what's rightfully hers. Which is. Right, seriously. Stop fucking laughing, you wanker. Right, wait a minute. Because that button looks like I'm strangling you. Let's just sort that out. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus.
Mate, why is the fucking porn channel on?
That's what he had set to come out before he come out. I can't do that button. You're going to have to just rip it off. Anyway, this twat here, born 27th of May. What year was it? 1980?
81.
81. Because I was born in 73. I haven't got any concept after the year 1973. Anyway, he's a fucking cunt. But he has got one fucking amazing. You? Seriously? You're going to watch this video back tomorrow and you're going to think my sister has got one fucking head screwed on. Because she, that woman over there, otherwise known as Kate Harris, she has seriously got her head screwed on. And you need to ask that woman to marry you. Because every other girlfriend that's gone before does not compare.
Nothing compares. Nothing compares
to you. Even though she's bald and Irish and it has no comparison to someone who's got lovely red hair and it's long and she's not bald. Wake up! And she would be a welcome addition to the family because Simon is boring. He talks about engineering and frigging processes all the time. Sam is lovely, but she's boring. He talks about looking after Jacob. And don't show this on YouTube because I'm going to get shot as a fucking sister-in-law. But anyway, I think you fucking boring mentalist. Let's get that button undone because otherwise you may die. I can't actually do it. I can't do it. I can't do it. Oh, it's coming. It's coming. It's coming. I'm going to do
Push
it.
his head back, that might help.
Ouch, it's farted.
Cheers, Kate.
I just farted. I'm 38 and I've just farted on my wedding day. Right. You seriously need to lie there. What a fucking... I just farted again. Right, that button is the biggest bastard I've ever come across in my life.
Jane, come here.
Wait a minute. Oh, what the fuck? That's it, it's done! Right, kill him. Kill him now. You don't ever want to see him again. Kate, that's it. I'm going to bed, you fat fucker. Love you, Uncle Robsy.
Jane. I love you.
Who's just made that flushing noise in the toilet? Oh, it's
I'm going
Ian.
for a wee wee. Why?
I've managed to fucking do something to him. Let's go. Love you, Kate.
Love you.
See you later, mate.
Seriously, see you tomorrow.
See you for breakfast.
Come to our house while I'm like that.
We will. He's going to love this video tomorrow.
He's going to love it. Love you, Rob.
Matt, the best bit was when you
Alright.
fell off the bed.
Yeah, it always is.
See you later.
Night.
Where are you going? Down there, yeah?